Anupama Jatwani from MB International School, Nayagaon, Kota. Today we are going to study the subject SST, Chapter 3, My Body Helps Me. Let's start Chapter 3, My Body Helps Me. Our body is a combination of many parts. You must have seen your body and it's really completely having the different body parts. Our body is like a machine. You must have seen it in your home, mobile, television, microwave. These are machines and our body also works as a machine because we are also having a different parts. Let's start with the parts of the machine. As a machine has different parts for different functions. And what is the functions? Activities done by machines called functions. So our body is also machine. So our body is also doing many kind of activities. These are called functions. Similar, our body also has several parts that do different activities. Let us discuss about them in detail. All human beings have a head, a neck, a man body, hands and legs. You can see in this picture, we are having 4 man body parts. One is head, neck, which is a connection between head and man body part. Hands and legs. So let's start with the reading with the name of parts. Head, then hair, eyebrow, ear, eyes, teeth, and you can see here teeth is connected with 2 jaws. You can see in your mouth, you can definitely, if you will be going to the mirror, you can find your teeth between 2 jaws, the upper jaws and the lower jaw. Next, neck, cheek, you all are having your 2 cheeks. Tongue, you can use your tongue while tasting. We all are having a tongue. Chin, this is chin. Then chest, elbow. We are having elbow in our hand. This is called elbow. And thumb. We are having 2 hands and we are having 4 fingers in each hand. So we are having 8 fingers and 2 thumbs. Each hand is having 1 thumb. Next, knee, leg, fingers and toe. This is called the lower part of leg is called foot and foot is having toes. The fingers of foot are called toes. We cannot call the fingers of foot fingers. These are called toes. The fingers of foot are called toes. Study about the body parts. We are having 5 body parts which are having sense organs. What are sense organs? First you should be aware about the sense organs. You can see here 5 pictures. Eyes, nose, skin and ear, tongue. These are 5 body parts which are having sense organs. They are called sense organs. Why are they called sense organs? Because they are connected to brain. They give the senses to brain and brain give them message to react to any activity. Come to the eyes. Eyes, they help us to see things far and near. Eyes always help us to see the things. Whenever you watch the TV, you can see all the things in your TV by your eyes. Ears, ear helps in listening different sounds. We listen different kind of sounds with the help of ears. Just like a scolding sound, just like a sound you don't like, even the lovely sounds, everything you listen with the help of ears. Next, nose. It helps in breathing and smelling. Just think, if you are just standing in the place which is very dirty and it stinks, so definitely you will find that smell very bad. And when you just smell like a very good things, like your mama is cooking the food for you in the kitchen, so the aroma will come to you and you will feel that aroma very nice. So how did you get to know is it stinks or it fragrance very nice? With the help of your nose, you got to know that it smells stinks or it is the aroma. So by help of nose we can find is it stink or aroma. ये खुशबू है या गंदी है, ये हमें किसकी हेल्प से पता लगता है? नोज की हेल्प से. One more thing function we can go for the help of nose, that is breathing. Breathing also help nose help us. Now next, tongue. It helps us in tasting, licking, swallowing and for speech. With the help of tongue we taste. The taste of food is bitter or sweet. So it just connected by your tongue. If you eat something, so tongue helps you to taste what kind of taste you are having in your food. वो bitter है, कड़वा है, soft, खट्टा है, sweet है, मीठा है. It just you recognize by the help of your tongue. Next, licking. You must have seen dogs. They feed their food by licking and swallowing. Means निगलना. किसी भी चीज को कई बार हम निगल जाते हैं तो निगलने में भी tongue हमारी हेल्प करती है. Next, and for speech, whatever we are speaking with the help of tongue. Next, skin. It enables us to feel pain, heat, cold, etc. And it is natural outer covering of body. Listen children, you all are aware your complete body parts is covered by skin. So whatever you feel in any body part, it enables to your skin. with the help of skin you can feel the pain. If somebody pinches you, so definitely you will be feeling pain, you will be hurt. How did you get that you are hurt, you are feeling pain? So with the help of skin, your skin gives senses to the brain and brain give the message to skin to feel the pain. आपको जब कोई भी पिंच करता है या सपोज आपने अपनी फिंगर हॉट टी में डाल दी, आपको क्लिक इन अ मोमेंट पता लग जाता है कि ये गर्म है, मुझे यहाँ से हाथ हटाना है, तो सेंस ऑर्गन स्किन से ब्रेन को मिलते हैं, ब्रेन को मैसेज स्किन को कन्वर्ट करता है कि आपको फटाफट हाथ वहाँ से हटाना है, देन ओनली यू विल बी सेफ. सो स्किन इज अ सेंस ऑर्गन इन अ कंप्लीट बॉडी पार्ट बिकॉज आवर बॉडी पार्ट इज कवर्ड बाय स्किन. So these are sense organs which are connected directly to the brain, and brain is directly connected to these sense organs, and with the help of sense organ we can see the world, we can listen the world, we can feel the world, and whatever you want to do with the help of sense organ you can enjoy the world. Thank you so much.